Click on the link below to get price. The PooLin EOC05 Beginner Embroidery Bundle is designed to cater to those who are venturing into the world of embroidery for the first time. Offering a comprehensive set of tools and materials, this bundle includes 40 vibrant thread spools, each providing 800 meters of high-quality thread. This collection is aimed at facilitating a smooth introduction to embroidery, whether for personal projects, gifts, or simply exploring a new hobby. At first glance, the assortment of thread spools stands out. With a variety of colors included, users have the flexibility to experiment with different designs and patterns, making it suitable for various projects. The threads are made from polyester, which is known for its durability and ability to resist fading, ensuring that finished designs maintain their vibrancy over time. In addition to the threads, the bundle comes with a single needle embroidery machine, which is tailored for home use, making it a practical choice for beginners. Setting up the PooLin EOC05 is a straightforward process. The machine is designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring simple controls and clear instructions. Beginners may find it beneficial to spend some time familiarizing themselves with the machine's operation, which can enhance their embroidery experience. The accompanying manual provides guidance on thread installation and basic stitching techniques, serving as a helpful reference as users build their skills. Beyond the machine and thread spools, the bundle's design encourages creativity. With the array of colors at their disposal, users can explore various embroidery techniques, such as basic stitching, monogramming, or even creating intricate designs. This versatility allows beginners to gradually develop their skills at their own pace, whether working on small projects or larger creations. In summary, the PooLin EOC05 Beginner Embroidery Bundle presents a well-rounded option for those looking to start their embroidery journey. With its extensive collection of thread spools and a user-friendly embroidery machine, it provides essential tools for both learning and exploration. As novice embroiderers engage with this bundle, they may find not only a rewarding hobby but also a means of expressing their creativity through fabric and thread.